Don't be angry if I seem rude each time you meet someone that you once knew, that you say used to be so close to you. It's just that I'm so afraid someone might steal you away. I lose my mind, and I can't help myself the way I feel sometimes. Yes, I'm the jealous kind. It was alright when I first met you out there.